Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. Before we get started, I would like to give a big thank you to Born Pretty for sponsoring today's video. They did go ahead and send over some more PR packages for me to go ahead and review for you guys. They did go ahead and send me their Misty Rose Semi Jelly collection, and I'm so excited because when I looked these up, oh my god, they look like acrylic dupe gel polishes, and I am always looking for acrylic dupes because I don't use acrylic. And then they also did send me their base coat and top coat, and they are 15 ml bottles, so I was so excited. I was not expecting to receive this at all. So thank you so much, Born Pretty. So I am gonna go ahead and open up their base coat and their top coat because I was so anxious and I was so excited. So their bottles, this is what they look like, and like I said, they are full 15 ml bottles. I absolutely love the packaging. Look at these bottles, they're so pretty, and the fact that they are big, you know, nice full size, I absolutely love that. And the consistency seems to be a little bit thinner than what I'm used to compared to other brands that I've tried, but that's okay. And I do hope that, you know, it just makes the nails really shiny. That's what I was expecting because I'm always looking for a good base coat and a good top coat. You know, I've tried so many and I still haven't found just the right one yet, so I can't wait to go ahead and try this out. And the bristles were pretty long, and I can't wait to show you like how they apply here in a minute. I am going to go ahead and use them in today's video. The packaging is so pretty. I love that holographic box. I wanted to just like keep it, but I try not to keep all my boxes. So next I'm going to go ahead and unbox the polishes. They are 7 ml bottles, and it does come with 6 different colors. So I'll go ahead and swatch those for you guys, and then I'll come back here in a bit. So here's how the colors look. I did go ahead and apply a second coat off camera, and as you can see, they're like kind of like milky. That's what they're called. That's why they're called semi jelly, and they're not as transparent, you know, as regular jelly colors, which is a good thing because I'm always looking for good coverage because I want my press-on nails to look like acrylic nails, and sometimes the jelly, you know, is too sheer and you got to apply a lot of coats. And this is just a great option if you want to go ahead and try these colors for base colors as French tip nails. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to use these. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. And I am going to go ahead and get started with the design. Today I am using my 2XL full cover square nail tips, and these are actually in the color natural. And I am going to use the base coat that they sent me for today, and I did go ahead and add some acid-free primer on the nails already. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a thin layer of base coat on all the nails, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds. And I did want to just note really quick that I'm using natural because I want to like try and experiment that if the natural nail tips give you more coverage than the clear, because you know how the clear is see-through and the jelly colors, you know, you can see your nail line. I don't know how to explain it, but I'm pretty sure you know what I'm talking about. Like, I hate seeing my nail underneath the press-on nail, so I'm still kind of working on that to get that perfect coverage. So this is the color I'm gonna go ahead and use for the base coat, or the base color. And then after I applied the base coat and cured it, I am gonna apply a layer of this, and then I'll cure for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat, and then I'll cure for another 30 seconds. And I like to layer my base colors, so I am going to go ahead and apply another color on top of it because I like to just get that perfect base color. And you can do that, you know, you can mix all your different colors until you're satisfied with the color that you want, because if you don't have an exact color, mixing colors is what, you know, helps you out. You don't have to go and buy all kinds of different colors to get that exact color. So that's what I like to do. I like to go ahead and just layer the gel colors so that I get that perfect base color, because I want my French tip nails to look like acrylic nails. So I'll go ahead and let you watch this process, and then I'll come back here in a bit. So this is how the nails look after I went ahead and did that third coat. And oh my god, you guys, this color is so pretty. In person, it looks exactly like acrylics. Like, I can't even explain it. You guys really need to go ahead and pick up this gel polish kit because it is so nice. These colors are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Born Pretty. I've been looking for some really good acrylic dupes, and I'm really satisfied with these colors. They're absolutely gorgeous. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take this glitter gel polish that is also from Born Pretty, and I am going to go ahead and just apply it to the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my ombre brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and ombre that towards the cuticle area. And for an ombre, you want it to be darker at the tip, and then you want it to go ahead and fade out towards the cuticle area. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing very light pressure and just bringing it downwards. And then after I finish all the nails, I'll cure for 60 seconds. now I'm going to go ahead and apply these nail charms. I'm going to go ahead and apply the snake nail charm on the middle finger, and then I'm going to use the pearls and the butterflies on the ring finger. And to apply these, I am going to go ahead and use this 7-in-1 builder gel from Modelones. And one of the 7 things that you can use is to apply your rhinestones and your nail charms. So that's what I'm doing today. And I am just going to go ahead and apply it over the entire nail just to make it even and to give it some extra strength. And then after I apply those, I'll go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take that top coat that they sent me, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to all the nails, and then I'll cure for 60 seconds. So let me just tell you, this base coat and this top coat were amazing. Like, the bristles were absolutely fabulous. I can't describe how well they just brush on the nails. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.